Hello, I am Pallavi and my husband Murali. We are from Kolar, Karnataka. We are happy to inform you that my son LOCHAN KISHAN got selected in the International Book of Records. He has solved 19 cubes in 19 minutes 6 seconds.
Actually, he got interested in Rubik's Cube while we are passing by a toy shop. He looked at a 3 by 3 cube and he showed interest in it. My wife Pallavi taught him. Within a short span of time, he learned most of the Rubik's Cube. Thank you, International Book of Records and team, for supporting and encouraging to show his talent in a very good platform. Thank you, International Book of Records.